Exciting career opportunity in southern Namibia. Rosh Pinah Zinc, a renowned mining company, is seeking a highly skilled Superintendent Trackless maintenance to become part of their team in Rosh Pinah. About the role. As a Superintendent Trackless maintenance, you will play a key role in overseeing the maintenance of underground trackless equipment. Your responsibilities will include managing a team of technicians, ensuring proactive maintenance schedules, optimizing equipment performance, and upholding strict safety standards to support operational efficiency. What you will need to succeed: B Engineering, or BSc Engineering, or BTech in Engineering or equivalent qualification. A postgraduate degree, MBA, MDP, is an added advantage. A minimum of 5 years' experience in mechanized trackless mining maintenance. Hands-on experience working with underground trackless mobile machinery such as trucks, scoops, and drills. Strong leadership, problem-solving, and budget management abilities. Why build your career with Rosh Pinah Zinc? Professional development. Grow within a company that values technical expertise and career advancement. Innovative work environment. Collaborate with a forward-thinking team dedicated to continuous improvement. Attractive compensation. Secure competitive pay, stable employment, and rewarding career opportunities. Submit your application now via the recruitment portal at jobopportunities.net. Stay connected. More exciting career openings coming soon. Meet your career assistant, thejobopportunities.net. Chatbot. Navigating your career just got easier. Our AI-powered chatbot is here to assist with CV and cover letter tips, interview preparation, and career insights, all in one place. Whether you're refining your application or getting ready for an interview, we've got you covered. How the chatbot supports you. Enhance your CV and cover letter. Get expert advice to craft standout applications. Ace your interviews. Access helpful tips and common interview questions. Instant career assistance. Quick, reliable guidance at your fingertips, anytime. Getting started is simple. Visit jobopportunities.net. Click the chatbot icon, bottom right corner. Ask your career-related questions. Your virtual assistant is ready to help. Smart, fast, hassle-free. Elevate your career with ease. Your career, your future. Fueled by Nawa. Ready to unlock new opportunities and take your career to the next level? Nawa is here to support you every step of the way, helping you secure the right job, sharpen your skills, and stand out in a competitive market. Whether you're starting out or looking to advance, we provide the tools, insights, and connections to set you up for success. How we help you succeed. Exclusive job opportunities. Discover roles that align with your skills and ambitions. CV and interview excellence. Gain expert guidance to make a lasting impression. Career growth and inspiration. Stay ahead with industry insights and professional tips. Success is within reach. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on new job openings and career-boosting advice. Remember, growth is better when shared, so spread the word. From the beautiful shores of Swakopmund, we're here to empower your journey. Keep learning, keep pushing forward, and let's achieve great things together. Your future starts now. Seize the moment.